Hello, this is Jay from BULBTEK. Right now I'm showing you the replacement of the defective LED headlight bulb, which we have installed 2 years ago for this car, Toyota-Corolla 2013 year version. This is our G11F Fan type LED headlight bulb. The bulb model is 2005. Okay, here we go.
Screw off the original bulb anti-clockwise. LED chip is lighting weakly. Fan is still working well. Take apart the connector. New set of LED bulb G11F-9005. Compare the cuts. Connect the driver and light up. New bulb is lighting brightly. The hydraulic bearing fan, which is made in Japan, is working well. Install new LED bulb in the housing. Screw on the LED bulb tightly clockwise. Connect the driver. Make sure the wire cable and the LED body stay vertical. Correct lighting pattern.
End of flashback.
Okay, we finished the replacement of the defective LED bulb already, and as you can see, the bulb is lighting up again. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.